In this video, the spotlight is on some important MLS updates. Compensation and concession field changes within the MLS. As a result of the NAR settlement, Bay East will implement the following changes to our Paragon MLS platform beginning Monday, August 12th. All compensation across all property types and statuses, including historical data, will be removed. The current post-sale concessions field will change to a yes or no option. The historical concessions data for off-market listing will still be visible. Compensation Q&A. When will the compensation field be removed from the MLS?
The fields will be removed beginning August 12th, 2024.
Will the compensation information for active and pending status be removed?
Yes.
Can I publish the compensation in confidential remarks?
No, you cannot add compensation information anywhere within the MLS.
Can I include compensation information within the disclosure documents within the MLS?
No, you cannot add compensation information anywhere within the MLS, including within disclosure information.
Will I see historical compensation data?
No, all compensation data will be hidden from view.
What will happen if I add compensation information in the MLS?
Bay East staff will remove the information, and a violation notice and possibly a fine will be sent to the listing agent.
Can the MLS have a yes or no compensation field?
No, the new MLS policies prohibit presenting any information about compensation on an MLS.
Concessions Q&A. Will the existing concession field be modified?
Yes, currently the concession field may contain any type of information. Beginning August 12th, that field will be changed to yes or no only.
Will a new seller concession field be added to the MLS?
No.
When do I complete the concession field?
The concession field is completed when marking a listing sold.
Will I see historical concession data?
Yes, historical concession data will be viewable.
Can I publish concession information in the MLS?
Yes, concession information can be added to the MLS.
With the new policy changes, the MLS rules have been updated as well. You can find a copy at www.bayeast.org/rules-forms. We highly recommend Trackxi, the #1 deal tracker that streamlines the workflow from client contact to closing, saving 75% of your time and creating an ultimate experience for you and your clients. Never miss a deadline with Trackxi. Bay East members can unlock a 10% discount by using the code BAYEAST1012 during checkout at Trackxi. To access Trackxi, log into the MLS. Click on the Resources tab on the top and select Trackxi from the drop-down menu.
MLS training. For MLS training, we now offer virtual or in-person one-on-one or office training. You can schedule it at www.bayeast.org/MLS training resources.
We hope these updates are helpful for you. Thanks for watching.